Okay, so there's this girl on YouTube who just used a pen to get out the headphone jack that's busted off in there. But I don't know where she got that pen because I've tried about 4 or 5 and they're all too small. So here's the head of the pen. It seems to fit over top of it, but that's about it. I can't pull it off. So I'm going to try trusty old Gorilla Glue. Put glue in there, put it on there and let it set, and hopefully it comes out. Let's see what happens here. This will be part 1. Tried tweezers, tried just about everything except taking the bottom off and dropping the motherboard and seeing if that could come out. And if this doesn't work, that's probably what is going to have to happen. Where that Gorilla Glue is. Oh, here it comes. Hands of a surgeon. Set that down. I was able to tap it and get it over the jack, but that's it. If I tried to pull it out, it wouldn't come. So it's probably all I can do. See if it works.